Good morning, self. Today is my fifth day, fifth day trading on a Warrior Trading Simulator. Which will I use? Which will I train before I transit myself into a live trading real money account. So today, unfortunately, is another red day. But I came down from 2000 negative 2000 and digging myself out of the hole for down $390. So let's see my trade. Okay, it's 9:28 in the morning and I have VISL gapping up 309% with 3.5 million, VLRX with 1.78 or 1.7 million of volume, and OBLN, which is very cheap to my price range, because my price range should be $1.50 up to $10, but I still put it on my watch list just in case it will hit above $1. MBRX gapping up 7.76 with 1.24, price of 124, 125. So let's move this forward. Boom, boom, boom. Market opens. This is the start. So I'm watching VISL, thinking it will make a 1 2 3 4 setup on 5-minute chart, but it failed me because I bought too early, I guess. Oh no, I bought the wrong time, but I cut loss too late. See that? Just post. This is 1 2, trying to break a high of 7. Actually, this can be a break of whole dollar as well. So, and in coincides with 1 2 3 4 setup. So 1 2, trying to break that, but came down, which is number 3. But the level is again becomes the same. So this is a failed 1 2 3 4 setup. So I'm down 780. Here you go, 780. I should be start cutting my losses already because my average 693, price is 645, 647. Now it is trying to get back, giving me a chance to cut my losses, but let's see, I didn't do it. So yeah, 650, 64. Actually, the entry should be this one on a 1-minute chart, red to green move. So red to green move. So if my average is 660, I'm up 10 cents on the bid, right? Now 20 cents on the bid, right? Because I'm too excited to get in, which is never be good. Discipline is the key. On the opening, I don't have any discipline. Again, here is my chance to get out. I could just sell 693 because the spread is 680 and 698. Someone will bite my bid or may ask. Now 693 right there, I could just sell 693. Lots of chance, this is a very obvious red to green move on a gap and go trade, 1-minute chart. But now again, price is going down, down, and then back to minus 720. Again, on my mind, I think that price will still come back. It did, but it took a while, you know. Then I'm down 50 cents. Now the pop right there is another chance to sell, or at least sell half, right? Minimize my risk. That 3000, buy on 3000, magnifies a buying power of $18,000. Do I have $18,000? Not yet. So I should be starting at least thousand shares. Excuse me. So let's move this forward. Again, I'm down. See that? It's taking me too long. Every time I review my trades, it always keeping my losing trade too long. Always keeping my ah. That was my entry. I should wait for a confirmation candle before I buy into that. Again, not good. Now I'm down 1800. Let's move this forward. Oh, finally I cut my losses right there. See that? I'm cutting my losses to what price? Oh, wait. Let's see. Where did I cut my loss? Below of this candle. Where did I learn to do that? My gosh. So I cut my losses. I guess 626. Now I'm checking on another chart, VLRX. Let's see if I make a trade in here. Oh, I did. Another losing trade. Okay, entry. I'm watching this and seeing. Oh, actually, it's HLIT. The proper entry here is because I see this pop up in the scanner, and I jump in right away, thinking it will break the high of day, which is 739. My entry is 629. Right now, I could just cut my losses, right? 721. So I did cut my losses, but on the proper entry at 1 minute chart, I should wait for 1 minute bull flag pattern or micro pullback. See this? It turned green up to here, then red. Wait for another minute. See if it breaks this high, then entry will be the high of this candle. But again, FOMO and trying to get myself out of the hole. So I'm down 2200 now. But the next entry should be good. Again, watching VISL. Let's make this forward. There you go. Any familiar? This is very familiar setup. This is a flat top breakout. On the 5 minute chart, it's making a bull flag pattern. So the entry on the 5 minute chart is wait for another 2 minutes and then see if it breaks this high. If it doesn't, continue to go down. Wait for another 2 candles on 5 minutes. Wait for just 10 minutes. Or in the 1 minute, if this red candle here on the next candle, in 1 second, if it break this high, entry. See if I do that, if I make that. Now entry should be 730, 731, 731. Yeah, hidden seller right there. Yeah. See, moment of truth, moment of truth. I always see this pattern, so makes me familiarize myself. There you go. That should be the entry already. 733. Bam bam. See, instant resolution. I didn't get in. For some reason, I didn't get in. I put a buy order at 735. By the time I press buy button, it just skipped my bid price and then just went to 41 to now 47. That I missed my entry. Again, very familiar pattern. But someday we will familiarize that and we can prepare. But right now we're still practicing. Now if my entry is 735 and it hits 750, I could just sell 745, right? That's 10 cents. 10 cents. But no, now it's going down. I missed my entry, so I'm just waiting for another setup, which is another 1 minute micro pullback right here, or another bull flag. Yeah, another bull flag, I guess. Let's see. So far we are becoming more familiar with the patterns, a better entry, a better exit, but we will get there. We have to experience a lot of pain before we succeed. So keep training, guys. Keep studying and learning. Like what they said, they didn't build London or whatever city is that in one day, but they distracted Japan in one day. So you want to build your account, be patient, step by step. Now VISL is making a false breakout right there. I would say I'll just wait for this one to go green, break this high. I'm so lucky I didn't get into that trade, because that's another losing trade if that happens. So the reason why you don't want to buy in the first breakout is because it has resistance here. It will try to stop you. You can penetrate, but it will try to stop you and push you back. So wait for the first penetration, pull back, and the second, boom, that's where you go. Well, it's easy for me to say this right now when trading, but yeah, I hope you can learn into these mistakes. Okay, let's move this forward. Let's see. Oh, okay, my next trade, HLIT, entry at 744. What am I thinking here? This break of this is like, I would say it's coincides with a $0.50 setup, but it's also a flat top, or you could say it's a flat top or a bull flag pattern on a 5-minute chart. Okay, see that? 744 is the entry. Price now is 746, 749. Right? Now I'm up 150. 750, I could just 55 right there, I could just sell 55. That's 11 cents. But I didn't. I don't know what I did, but I sold at 750. Again, another mistake is I should just sell half and let the other half run, right? Because he doesn't know. He doesn't know if it keeps. Because once it breaks 750, it should keep going up. That's a psychological resistance, 750. Which was my plan before, but I don't know why I sold it earlier. But now, yeah, I think that was a good exit. Because now stock is going down. Price now is going down. Again, I'm waiting for another opportunity here. Trying to break that high of day. Breaking the high of day, 758. Yeah, 758 was the entry. It's good. It's the first minute just started. 9:44 and 5 seconds. 758 was the entry. Now I just got out 750, which is a little bit premature again, but yeah, what can you do? That's the entry. trying to be aggressive, but now went back to mm, minus 2300. That formation is like green plus that doji. I don't know if this go down. I'm waiting for the first green candle to make a new high on a 1 minute chart. Okay, so the high of this 1 minute is I think 746 or 747, whatever. So the next candle, 946, must get above the high of this candle. So let's see, which is also good in the 5 minute chart. Entry on the pullbacks, it's always good to see it, to check it on the 1 minute chart or on the 5 minute chart. It is safer, I guess. So let's see what's gonna happen. But if you keep looking at 5 minute chart, you might miss the move on the 1 minute chart. So both ways is good to learn things. Wait for the first candle. Let's see the first candle. I'm waiting for the first candle to start right there. Break of the high, 748. I'm waiting for the break of 748. There you go. Watching, still watching. 750 already. I should be in already. There you go. 751 was my entry, which is good. That's a good entry. See, we are learning here. We're getting on the process. It's at 51, so psychological. Target is 10 cents again. So now I'm up 180, right? That's good. Now this is the worst part. I sold at 751. That was a good entry, but I sold everything 751. Just 1 cent. Now I bought at 751 again. I went back 751. Now we are watching target high of day 760. That's 9 cents. Let's see now. Yeah, see that 751. See that formation? This is a, what do you call this, kind of flat top breakout, or yeah, it's a flat top breakout. Target 775. If it breaks 60, then 775 is very realistic. Entry 751. Remember that. See that? It's a good entry. So happy with myself. Now 760, 765, 766, 63. You know, that's 12 cents. Now from being down $300, I'm up $60. Okay. And let's see. Let's see if I will give back my profit. Oops. Entry 767. Trying to break that high, right? This candle 767. Let's see if I can turn this around. 767. Now I'm up $30. So every cent, for every 3,000 shares, every cent that I make equivalents to 30 bucks. So if I make 10 cents, that's equals to $300, which is just my goal, 10 cents a day. But you know, we're just starting, so just starting and learning. So take the process. Oh, I actually sold at 67, 68. Right. So let's move this forward. Again, another entry on HLIT. That's 775. So we hit high of day is 778. My entry 775, trying to break the high of day. That's already a psychological resistance, which will tell me that this is a wrong entry. See that price right there, 770, 761. You don't get, if you don't get that instant resolution, that means your entry is wrong. So yeah, let's see. Now I ended up giving back half, giving back, losing from being up 90 bucks. Now I'm down 150 bucks. That tells me a doji, a doji, a doji, shooting star doji, and another red doji, shooting star, evening star on the 5-minute chart. That will tell me that stock will go down. Okay, let's move forward. See my another trade. Okay, another entry, VISL at 570. What am I thinking here? Because getting entry on the break of the VWAP, I should just wait for another candle to do that and confirm if that's really the if it's really breaking the resistance. Let's see, VISL 570. There you go. Instant resolution. My entry is good, but early, a little bit early. That price is good entry, but a little bit early. So now price is 590 on the chart. Here 576, 579. Okay. Now let's see. Okay. Oh, actually I sold. Oh, that's stupid because I'm trying to get out of 570 and I don't know. I'll get out from 565, which is I lose another 5 cents right there. But I guess I went back right again because I am thinking that this will break this high. It's making a flat top breakout or high, the new high. First 1-minute candle to make a new high. Not first, but it's a new high, so trying to break that. So entry 591. My 570 should still be good, right? Now seeing it, that's another instant resolution. So if I get into 570 or 569 before and then get out at 580 right here and then get in on the next candle, I should, you can actually trade it twice with this. Now price is 593 and 596. I'm thinking it will go over $6, right? Which is, yes. Now 613, 617. I'm up 720. This is one thing that I should always remember. It's just 1 minute away. So this candle here just started at 9:59, right? 9:59. That means that's 1 minute micro pullback. I should just wait until it starts for a new candle. At least I'm still up, right? Or I could just sell half of it. At least, right? But what did I do? I prematurely sold it. Could just sell half, but I sold at 6:15. But as the minute ends, nearing to end, it will start going up. See that? That should be another entry. Now, see that? It's getting $half already. Half dollar. Yeah. So I will make another entry here, I guess. $half entry. There you go. I get it in at 570, 670. Price is now it's high. I'm up 1200 now. With 670 average, I'm up 40 cents. Right? 40 cents. My gosh. And I sold it right away. Again, prematurely selling because it's almost get halted right there. Let's post that for a while. Get back. And I get in a 670. Oop. Now 710. And I sold it 710. Lots of buyers. 710. I don't know why I sold it 710. I should just wait. See that? Oop. It power up 738. If I leave it for like a second and sell at 728, I should be green on the day. But because it's almost get halted 738. Bam, 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 bam. Now price starts go down. Right? It's so quick that goes back to 680. But yeah, I don't want to chase the price anymore because that will make me fall into FOMO. So another day, another lessons learned. Proper entry, proper exit. Don't fall into FOMO. Again, when up like more than your price, when I hit my 10 cent target, start selling half. Another 15 cents up, start selling half of the other half. Then until so that I could maximize my potential reward, right? But because I'm just trying to get out from the hole, that's what's my technique on this trade. So again, we'll come back tomorrow strong, study, review my trades, study, be prepared, be super ready every day. So he says he who sweats more in training bleeds less in war. So I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.